Welcome to the assembly video for the Decorum Co. Hudson Two-Tone Coffee Table. Please ensure you have received all the necessary panels, hardware, and an instruction manual. If you have not received all these components or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to us through WhatsApp or email. A Phillips screwdriver will be required to complete this assembly. Please refer to your instruction manual to assemble this unit. If you have not received an instruction manual, please reach out to us so that we may email it to you. This assembly video follows the steps in the assembly manual and serves as a visual guide to complete the unit. This video is a sped-up tutorial of the assembly process. Feel free to reduce the playback speed or pause the video at any time. Before beginning assembly, a brief demonstration of how the cam and cam pin system works will be shown. A Phillips screwdriver is required. The hardware components used are a cam pin and a wooden dowel. The installation of the cam is shown. Please ensure the arrow on the cam face the closest edge on the panel with the corresponding hole. The installation of the cam pin and wooden dowel is shown. Insert the cam pin in the smaller hole using the screwdriver and the dowel in the medium-sized hole. To secure panels together, place the cam pins over the holes with the corresponding cam and use the screwdriver to rotate the cam in the clockwise direction. To remove the panels, rotate the cam in the opposite direction. Please follow this visual demonstration of the assembly process for the Hudson Two-Tone Coffee Table. You may reduce the playback speed or pause the video as needed. Follow along with your assembly manual for a better understanding of the panels and hardware being used, or to clarify any confusion. For any queries, feel free to reach out to us directly on WhatsApp or email. You may scan the QR code at the beginning of the video to reach our WhatsApp line directly.